talk about watermark templates over here on the left. For watermark template, we already have two created here. But to start off creating your first template, select add template over here, image name, go with use as watermark, put as yes. Positions, where you want to put it over here, top, right, bottom, left, right, or even the center. But we put a bottom left corner now. Select the picture. There's my picture. Select it. Select open. And you show up here. Now click save. It will appear over here as a new watermark. We're gonna have to close this for now. Select save. Use the image updated. With this indicator over here, every future products that falls into draft listing will automatically be added with this watermark. For example, products that came from scrap, which makes it easy for you. Now what happens if you want to manually insert this watermark? You can't do that. You gotta go to product listing, go to the products, edit, and select images. Select this pencil icon over to here, and let's go with the new icon, apply template. It's quite big, we can resize it to however we want manually, no problem at all. After that, select save the product over here, and it'll be there. And make sure to select save and publish to your marketplace. If not, save. I'm gonna select save and publish for now. Wait for a bit more. Please publish. Select the X button over here. Now this will allow us to add a watermark manually or automatically for every new product that's come through. So this is how you add and use watermark template. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.